Please subscribe, comment, like, share. This video is to discuss the second wilderness. Because we're going back. Israel, we're going back to the wilderness. That's according to Ezekiel. And I'll start there at Ezekiel chapter, let's see here, chapter 20, verse 30. Let's start at 31. Okay, let's start at 31. Let's begin. For when ye offer your gifts, when ye make your sons to pass through the fire, ye pollute yourselves with all your idols, even unto this day. And shall I be inquired of by you, O house of Israel? As I live, said the Lord God, I will not be inquired of by you. And that which cometh into your mind shall not be at all. That ye say, we will be as the heathen, as the families of the countries, to serve wood and stone. Serving Christianity in the religion of Christianity and in the religion of Islam. Okay, those are symbols. As I live, said the Lord God, surely with a mighty hand and with a stretched out arm and with fury poured out, will I rule over you. It's talking about Israel, the Israelites. And I'll bring you out from the people, and will gather you out of the countries wherein ye are scattered. We were scattered through the sub-Saharan slave trade and the transatlantic slave trade. With a mighty hand and with a stretched out arm and with fury poured out. He repeats himself, huh? And I'll bring you into the wilderness of the people, and there I will plead with you face to face. Like as I pleaded with your fathers in the wilderness of the land of Egypt, so will I plead with you, said the Lord God. Notice he said he pleaded with our forefathers. And I'll cause you to pass under the rod, and I'll bring you into the bond of the covenant. And so he only had a covenant with one people, right? He didn't have a covenant with everybody. There's no covenant with the Christianity church. I will purge out from among you the rebels, and them that transgress against me, I will bring them forth out of the country where they sojourn. And they shall not enter into the land of Israel. And ye shall know that I am the Lord. As for you, O house of Israel, that's the 12 tribes. Okay. Thus said the Lord God, go ye, serve ye every one his idols, and hereafter also, if ye will not hearken unto me, but pollute ye my name no more with your gifts, with your idols. For in my holy mountain, in the mountain of the heights of Israel, said the Lord God, there shall all the house of Israel, all of them in the land, serve me. There will I accept them, and there will I require your offerings and the first fruits of your oblations with all your holy things. I will accept you with your sweet savor when I bring you out of the people and gather you out of the countries wherein you have been scattered. And I will be sanctifying you before the heathen. And ye shall know that I am the Lord, when I bring you into the land of Israel, into the country for the which I lifted up my hand to give it to your fathers. So the idea that we're going to be raptured in some clouds, go into some heaven above in the clouds, is simply not biblical. The Israelites are going back into the wilderness, like our forefathers, to be tested again. Those who are found righteous will get into the land. There's no mystical pie in the sky. Heaven will be right here on earth. All praises to the Most High. I've read from Ezekiel 20. I started at 31 through 42. Read it for yourself.